Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to create the motion clone trail effect in After Effects. Let's get started. First, I'm going to duplicate the main layer and name it LeBron Roto. Now let's rotoscope. If you're new to this, I've linked a quick 2-minute rotoscope tutorial below. Double click the clip, select the roto brush tool, and paint over the subject. If it selects something you don't want, hold Alt or Option to deselect. Once you have your subject selected, After Effects will track it along the timeline. If it misses areas, just stop it and fix it manually by painting over them. When you're done, hit freeze to lock in the selection. Now back in the main comp, I'm going to duplicate the main layer 3 times. Next, select the frames you want to freeze. Right-click the layer, go to time and hit freeze frame. It's crucial to delete the roto effect from all the duplicate layers, because the frame is frozen but the rotoscope is not. So to fix that, what we're just going to basically do is I'm just going to simply go ahead and delete the rotoscoping for all of the duplicated layers right here. And I'm just simply going to redraw that rotoscope frame right here on our layers again. Repeat the same process with all duplicates layers. And then, for my last frame, I'm just going to simply hit freeze. Now, if you come back to our main composition, we have a nice frozen layer right here. After freezing each rotoscope, head back to the main comp and keep the rotoscope main layer 1 on top. Don't forget you can adjust the rotobrush settings for all the freeze frames we created. Just tweak the feather and shift edge to refine the edges. It makes the effect look even nicer. You'll now see frozen frames of LeBron. Finally, we'll animate and add effects to complete the clone trail. Search for echo in the effects panel and drag it onto the base rotoscope layer. Adjust the echo number, time, and decay until you like the effect. Experiment with these settings to get a feel for how it works. Now duplicate the main LeBron rotoscope layer and delete the echo effect from the new layer. Next, search for Colorama and apply it to the same layer. In Colorama settings, set the blend with original to 36 and the phase shift around 135 degrees. Actually, I'm not satisfied with my echo setting, so I'm going to change it for a little bit. Yeah, no, it looks better for me. Then change the mode into overlay. And the finale touch, we're going to animate our freeze frame that we created. Hit on P and adjust the position for those layers. That's looking great. Hold Shift, select everything on the timeline. Right-click and choose Pre-Compose, name it something like Final Compo now. Search for Posterize Time in the effects panel, drag it to the Pre-Comp layer, and set the frame rate to around 11. And there you have the final result. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, it helps me keep making free tutorials for you guys.